A time to believe. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. भरोसा इस बात पे करो कि हर नया दिन जो है आपके लिए एक नई शुरुआत है. Is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. भरोसा करो कि चमत्कार होते हैं और अपने सपने भी साकार होते हैं. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds. भरोसा करना मतलब ये देखना है कि बादलों में फरिश्ते नाच रहे हैं या परियां नाच रही हैं. To know the wonder of a stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. और ये जानकारी हासिल करना है कि स्टार डस्ट स्काई मतलब मैजिकल पावर्स वाला जो स्काई है उसमें मैजिकल पावर होता है और वो चांद पे जो आदमी रहता है उसको बहुत सारी बुद्धि है. टू बिलीव इज टू नो द वैल्यू ऑफ अ नर्चरिंग हार्ट. भरोसा ये भी करो कि नर्चरिंग हार्ट मतलब किसी को पालना पोसना ऐसा मन, उसकी वैल्यू, उसकी कदर करो. द इनोसेंस ऑफ अ चाइल्ड्स आईज. एक छोटे बच्चे की आंखों से जो मासूमियत झलकती है. एंड द ब्यूटी ऑफ एन एजिंग हैंड. और वो खूबसूरती जो एक बूढ़े इंसान के हाथ पे नज़र आती है. फॉर इट इज़ थ्रू दैट टीचिंग्स वी लर्न टू लव. क्योंकि हम उन्हीं के टीचिंग से, हम उन्हीं के सिखाए हुए रास्तों से हम एक दूसरे से मोहब्बत करना, प्यार करना सीखते हैं. टू बिलीव इज़ टू फाइंड द स्ट्रेंथ एंड करेज दैट लाइज विद इन अस. कि भरोसा इस बात पे करो कि हम अपने अंदर की जो ताकत है, हमारे अंदर का जो करेज है, वो हमारे बीच में है. हमारे अंदर की वो ताकत है, इस पर यकीन करो, इस पर बिलीव करो. When it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. वो वक्त जब आता है कि हार के बाद इंसान फिर अपनी कोशिशें करता है और जीतता है. फिर से नई शुरुआत करता है, जीतने की कोशिश में रहता है. टू बिलीव इज टू नो दैट नो वी आर नेवर अलोन. भरोसा करो कि हम अकेले नहीं हैं इस दुनिया में. दैट लाइफ इज़ अ गिफ्ट एंड दिस इज़ आवर टाइम टू चेरिश इट. कि हमारी अपनी ज़िंदगी हमारे अपने लिए एक तोहफ़ा है, भगवान का तोहफ़ा, अल्लाह का तोहफ़ा. एंड दिस इज़ आवर टाइम टू चेरिश इट. और ये सही वक्त है उसको एंजॉय करने का, चेरिश करने का. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen. भरोसा करो कि वंडरफुल सरप्राइजेस, तुम्हें एक खुशखबरी अभी बस मिलने ही को है. एंड ऑल आवर होप्स एंड ड्रीम्स आर विद इन रीच. और हमारी सब उम्मीदें और हमारे सब ख्वाब बिल्कुल हासिल करने की थोड़ी दूरी पे हैं. इफ़ ओनली वी बिलीव. सिर्फ अगर हम लोग भरोसा करें, यकीन कर लें तो. अ टाइम टू बिलीव. टू बिलीव इज टू नो दैट एवरी डे इज अ न्यू बिगनिंग. इज टू ट्रस्ट दैट मिरेकल्स हैपन एंड ड्रीम्स रियली डू कम ट्रू. टू बिलीव इज टू सी एंजल्स डांसिंग अमंग द क्लाउड्स. टू नो द वंडर ऑफ अ स्टार डस्ट स्काई and the wisdom of the man in the moon. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand. For it is through their teachings we learn to love. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us. When it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again, to believe is to know we are not never alone. That life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen, and all our hopes and dreams are within reach if only we believe. Poet B.J. Morbidze. Explanation in English. A time to believe. This is the right time to believe. In the present, you should always believe that something is better going to happen, something better is going to happen in the future, in the very next future. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. So you should believe that every day, every single day is a new beginning, something new. You should start with some new work. Is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. You should believe, you should trust your fate. You should trust that miracles happen. Miracles, something surprising, which only God alone can do it. You will not be able to achieve it. Only God, with the help of God, you can achieve something. And those are known as miracles. And dreams really do come true. You dream something bigger, something good for yourself. If you believe and you dream about becoming educated, learning something, becoming a doctor or an engineer, maybe a player, so you should have some dream in your life to achieve something, and then it really does happen. All the people who have achieved some greatness in life, they had dreamt about it, and that's why they could achieve it. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds. You should be able to see. Now, if you see the clouds, they look dull, but you should have the ability, the belief that you see some angels dancing among the clouds. So, even if the mood is, if you're dismoved, you should not become dismoved. You should try to hope something better in life and try to achieve it. To know the wonder of a stardust sky. A stardust sky, the sky which is having some magical powers. So you should know the wonder of the magical powers of the sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. Now there's an imaginary man living on the moon, and you should believe in his wisdom. The wisdom, cleverness. Wisdom is beyond cleverness. It is something much more than cleverness. So wisdom comes with age. So the man in the moon has been there for long ages. So you should believe in his wisdom. To believe is to know the value of nurturing heart. Nurturing heart is the nurturing means you are feeding something, you are taking care of something. So if your heart takes care of something which is dear to you, like nurturing your habit of writing poem or any good thing, good activity, if you value it, then you may attain something. You will really achieve something, some goal in your life. The innocence of a child's eyes. What you see in the eyes of a child, innocence. He is pretty innocent about the things. He does not have any prejudice or any kind of jealousy about the others. His look is simple, very simple, without any thoughts. So that is known as innocence of a child's eye. And the beauty of an aging hand. If you look at a old person, the hand of an old person, he must have worked hard throughout his life, and his hand will be wrinkled. The skin on the hand may be wrinkled, and that shows that he is an old person. Aging hand means a hand of the person very old. For it is through that teachings we learn to love. So why should you look at the beautiful hand, beauty of that aging hand? Because through that teachings, through the teachings of the old people, our elders, we learn to love. We learn to love just because they have taught us to do so. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us. So you should be having strength, you should be having courage enough when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. In life, you may have a setback. Setback means you may um, go through some difficult phase in your life, or you may have met with failure. In case of failure, it is you don't keep crying. It is better to pick up the pieces again, means to gather courage and to start your life anew. You try to set your goals and start trying again and begin again. To believe is to know we are never alone. So you should know, you should believe that you are not alone, that life is a gift. Life is a gift from God. And this is our time to cherish it. We should enjoy it, cherish it, enjoy it, because the life is a gift to us. You should not keep become gloomy, or you should not worry about it too much. You should live your life happily. So you cherish, you enjoy your life, thinking that it is a gift from God. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen. So you should keep on believing that something very good is going to happen in your life. That is a wonderful surprise. Suppose all of a sudden your grandfather comes and visits you and brings a gift for you. It may be a watch or a toy or a mini cycle or a cycle. So it would be a wonderful surprise, something which you are not expecting and you get it. That is known as a wonderful surprise. So in life also, wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen. They are about to happen. They may happen at any time. And all our hopes and dreams are within reach. So whatever we dream, whatever we hope, those hopes and dreams are within reach. Within shortly they will be realized. You will be able to enjoy, if only we believe. But the basic question is that we should believe in ourselves. If only we believe. The poet, and all our hopes and dreams are within our reach if only we believe.